Welcome guys. Today I will explain you how to create an EC2 instance on AWS and how you can log in with that instance on your local machine. So you need to create the AWS account simply. I have just created this and just I am going to the sign in inside in it. And after signing in, we can create the instance very easily, and you can sign up with the AWS with the very easy steps. So here I will use the terminal to log in the EC2 instance locally on my machine. This is on my local machine, and so here I'm going to log in AWS console. You can see that console.aws.amazon is here. And here if you see that will be the AWS services, and EC2 is showing here to you guys. So we got these things like that. Here are the currently some of my instances are already running in it, but we will launch one new instance. We'll just click on the instance here, and here you will need to choose the some machine. Like that, we will go with the Ubuntu server 16.04 LTS. That is the free tier available. Just needs to click over here, and then from instance types, here the instance types will be the load for that. So if you see that here, a lot of the instance types tiers are available. So that is the just a free tier eligible. These others are the paid, and you can also select any other if you want to pay, but this is the free tier, so that is by default selected, and we will select this one. So next we will press on the configuration instance in detail. Here on this screen, and that is configuration instance detail. No need to check any checkbox or modify anything. So just only we need to move forward. Here the IAM roles we can change as per our requirement, but we will just move as it is. Here if we see that there is the size 8 GB, and there is nothing needs to do with that instance. Here the add new volume, no need to do that. Here we need to add the tag here. Just I will add the name. We can say that here Mahasol node 1. So next the security group. We need to create the new security group, whatever you can type over here, and also here you can add the rules in it as well. These rules help to access this server remotely from outside that. So review and launch, and is open to the world. It is asking about the security group, so I just make it to accessible from everywhere. So here we go, and we will click on launch. Here we can choose any existing or create a new key pair. So I'm going to create a new key pair like that, Mahar Soul Node 1. I'm just saying that MSOL. Just this security group, and we need to download this because it is very much necessary. We will use this for the login purpose of our this instance. and it is just only downloading. So that will be the msol.pem file. When it will be the download only, then we go and launch the instance. So now the initiation of the instance launching. Now the instance is under launching. So that is authorizing and initializing, and this instance will be the appear like this screen here, and we can view the instance from here. So if you see that there are the two nodes already running, there is the third node we have launched now. We can put them the name like that, the Maharsol node 1. I'm just giving him the name this. And if we see that here is the public DNS and there is a private IP for that. So that is public IP and that is public DNS, and that is the private DNS and private IP. Through this public IP and public DNS, we can access this server globally from anywhere. And for private IPs, these are mostly used for the if there's some network communication between that is we mostly use in the blockchain mining or Ethereum blockchain mining, Bitcoin, and a lot of other stuff required to do that. So now we move forward and see about how we can log in this machine. This is the public IP. We will be the login to this machine through this IP. So let's move on the terminal. If you are using the Windows machine, then you can use the putty. So first of all, we need to move our, we can say that the downloads and slash msol.pem and into the folder of SSH. We are just moving this pm sol file in .ssh folder. So that's we have done. So chmod 600, and that is another command for security, and here msol.pem. So I added this. Now we are basically ready to enter in our server. msol.pem, and here we will go to our server, and here I need to just get the public IP for server, that is the 54208, and so let's, here you go, and then see that either can we enter in this our Ubuntu instance or not. Yes, there is the authentication of the host. It is saying that as we need to just write here S. It was the permanently added into the ECDSA to the list of the known host for this machine, and that is the very strong mechanism of the security AWS providing. So here we are now, and now we are here. If you see that we logged in perfectly here in our Ubuntu instance. Sorry, this is the command just written the 2 times. We can see the list directories for our Ubuntu instance. So guys, we are successfully logged in our Ubuntu instance, that is free tier, and I will be back with the new lecture. Thank you for watching.